Oliver, what are you doing? What are you doing, Charlie Bear? Oh, that's so cute, Charlie Bear. What are you doing? Charlie, what are you doing? Oh, you feel cold now? Oh my god. Adobong manokin. Sino to? Kanin. Ayaw ko yun. Tapos naaisda, paksiw. Kanin o. Lagay mo yung kanin, mais. One. What are you doing, little one? What are you doing, little one? Pa-snap-snap pa yung mukha mo. Look at you. Oh, look at you. Charlie, Charlie. Hey, hey. Look at your beautiful face. Look at your beautiful face. Look at your beautiful face, Charlie. Hi, little one. What are you doing? It's Charlie Bear. It's Charlie Bear. Look at you. It's Charlie Bear. What you done? Eh? What are you doing? You just you're hiding or no? Look at you, little one. Look at you, Charlie. Need to scrub. Stand up, Charlie. Stand up. Look at that. Even in the bathtub, we slide down. And is sitting down. Look at Charlie. You're so cute, Charlie there. Charlie, enjoying the water. Charlie. Little one. Look at you. Look at Charlie Bear. Look at Charlie Bear. It's dirty. Pull now. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Look at you. Oh, just shower. Look at you, Bets. Bets. Oh, na. Kainin mong food ni... Hmm? No. Betty, kinain ni Charlie. You finish all? Hmm? You finish all? You looking for something, huh? Eat your breakfast, Charlie. Hmm? And eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Go. Where you going? And eat your breakfast. Betty, you have your breakfast. Beds. It's beds. Betty. Ayan. Si Betty natulog. Ang sarap ng tulog ng Bets. Ah. Look at your face and your tummy. You're so cute, Nico. You have shiny hair. You have a shiny hair. Look at